In this video, I'll show you how to create a new user on your Mac computer. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen and then select System Preferences. From here, click on User and Groups and then select the padlock in the bottom left-hand side. You may need to enter your Mac password to make these changes. Once you've entered your password, click Unlock. And now we'll have the option to create a new user by clicking the plus icon in the bottom left-hand side. Next to New Account, you have three different options. You can create this user as an administrator. You can set them up with just standard access to the computer. You can set the account to sharing only where there be certain restrictions on the account. Or if you're in an office or business environment, you can set this account as a group. I'm just going to click on Standard, and then you need to type in the full name of the account. Once you've entered the name of the person, you can then select Account Name. This is essentially the display name of the account. I'm just going to keep this the same as the full name. Then enter your password for the new account. Verify the new password for the account, and then you can decide if you want to set yourself a password hint, and then click on Create User. And just like that, we've now created a new user for our Mac computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.